In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a discount on Bluehost in August 2025. If you've been looking to save on web hosting this month, now is such a great time to dive in. Bluehost is offering exclusive discounts on their hosting plans, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get it. Before I show you how to get access to the best price possible, I just wanted to explain a little bit about what Bluehost is. So Bluehost is one of the most trusted web hosting providers out there, and it's really great if you're planning to build your site on WordPress. In fact, WordPress actually officially recommends Bluehost as one of the best hosting services for beginners. What I really like about Bluehost is that it's simple to use, but still powerful enough to grow with your site. Whether you're starting a blog, an online store, or a business site, you've got options. Their plans are built to support everything from basic personal sites to high traffic websites and even e-commerce. You also get access to an easy to use dashboard, free email accounts, and reliable customer support if you ever get stuck. And when it comes to performance, Bluehost delivers solid uptime and speed, which helps keep your visitors happy and your ranking strong. All you have to do to get a discount is actually use our exclusive link down in the description below. Once you click that link, as you can see, we've got this special partner offer. You can click get started, and this is where you can see the different plans and pricing options. So they've got standard and advanced. With the standard plans, you can save up to 80%. So they've got their starter, their business, and e-commerce essential plan. With the starter plan, that's just $199 a month. You can actually save 80% on this plan. You get web hosting, 10 websites, 30-day money-back guarantee, free CDN, 24/7 support, free SSL, web application firewall, Yoast SEO free plugin, pro email free trial, and then static content caching, and so much more, and even a WordPress staging site. I'm not going to read through every single one of these. If you want to check them out, you can just use that link down below. Then they've got the business plan, which is $399 a month, and you can save 73%. This plan is ideal for multiple sites needing storage, security, and backup. So you get everything in the starter plan, but the phone support is also included, as well as malware detection and removal, and so much more. Then they've got the e-commerce essentials, and you can save 61% on this plan, and this is $699 per month. This plan gives you the essential commerce tools to sell your content online. So you get even more websites, more storage, ideal for more visitors a month, and then you get other things like WooCommerce auto install and easy social logins, as well as some advanced features like static content caching, object caching, etc. They've also got some advanced plans which you can save up to 30% on. They've got the WordPress Cloud One, which is $16.99 a month, the VPS hosting, which is $46.99 a month with our special discount of saving 29%, and then dedicated hosting, which saves you 25%. If you want to get started, all you have to do is choose the plan that you would like. You can register a domain, or you can go ahead and use one that you already use, or you can choose a domain later. As you can see, the savings is already included. If you wanted to add on any other features, you can also do that as well. Also, they do have a 30-day money back guaranteed, so it really is no risk to even just try it out and see if it's a good fit for you. If not, you can always get your money back. So again, if you want to check out Bluehost and get the best price possible, all you have to do is use our exclusive link down below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. If you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you in advance so much for your support. That wraps up this video. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and drop them below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.